In today's video, I'm going to teach you set up your development environment. By the end, you'll have everything you need to build, test, and ship a React Native app using Expo and Cursor AI. First, make sure Node.js and NPM are installed on your computer. These are the foundation for running JavaScript tools locally. If you already have them, great. If not, download the LTS version of Node.js from the official website, which includes NPM. Having this set up ensures all the other tools work smoothly. Next, install Expo. You can globally install the Expo CLI with the command npm install/g expo CLI. If you prefer not to install it globally, you can also use npx create expo app later to generate a project on demand. Both approaches work. Choose the one that fits your workflow. Now set up your platform tools. For Android, install Android Studio so you can access emulators and the Android SDKs. For iOS, install Xcode to use the iOS simulator. Remember, Xcode is available only on macOS. Having at least one emulator or simulator ready makes local testing fast and reliable. Download and install the Cursor AI editor from the official Cursor site. It's built on top of VS Code, so your themes, settings, and key bindings should carry over, which keeps your environment familiar while adding AI-powered coding features. Open Cursor and bring up the command palette with CMD+K on macOS or Ctrl+K on Windows and Linux. Type a prompt like create a new React Native project called MyApp using Expo and TypeScript. Cursor will walk you through the initial setup and generate the project structure, dependencies, and boilerplate files so you can start coding immediately. To build features, open the chat panel with CMD+L or Ctrl+L. Ask the AI to create components, for example, a welcome screen with a centered Hello World title and a button that navigates to a new details screen. Iterate quickly by using inline edits with CMD+K or Ctrl+K on specific code blocks to add error handling or improve accessibility. You can also ask Cursor to improve performance or add TypeScript types to keep your code base robust and maintainable. Review changes before applying so you stay in control. When you're ready to test, run npm start or expo start in your terminal. A QR code will appear. Open the Expo Go app on your Android or iOS device and scan the code to see your app update in real time. This tight feedback loop is perfect for rapid iteration. If you hit a bug, describe the issue in Cursor's chat and paste the relevant code. The AI will suggest fixes and explain why they work, helping you learn while you resolve problems. Finally, when development and testing are complete, use Expo Application Services to build binaries for iOS and Android. Ask Cursor to draft the commands or create an ease.json configuration for both platforms. Then submit your generated builds to App Store Connect and Google Play Console for review and publication. That's your complete path from setup to deployment.